Now I have the line set, and I have the sleeve that the line set goes into to protect it. But right now what I'm gonna do first is I already pulled out the old copper from that cord hole that's in there, and I'm gonna blow out whatever. It smells like dead rodents, so I'm assuming that it's a bunch of dead rodents and debris in there. I'm gonna use a leaf blower, and I'm also gonna use my phone to record the other end to see what comes out. All right, here goes nothing. Only a little bit of debris came out, not very much. So I'm gonna grab some PVC, and I'm gonna try to shove it into that hole and see if I can budge some of that stuff loose, and then do the blower again before I even attempt to push the line set through. It goes all the way through. So when I pulled the pipe out, it felt a little bit wet. There's gonna be water in there, probably from when it rains it goes in there. There's the rat. I decided to put my leaf blower on the other end. It's blowing pretty hard. Watch, you can hear it. And I'm not sure if doing that helps, but I'm gonna. Oh my god, that smell. I can't get rid of that smell, so I'm gonna go see if I can buy something to eliminate it. So I bought all kinds of stuff for smell. I got this Autobahn eliminates odor stuff. I got these charcoal odor eliminators. I also threw this in there. It's still smelling, but hopefully eventually it'll kick in. And right now I got this tied up and ready to go. I'm gonna tie the line set on the other end, and I'm gonna pull it through. Hope that it comes out through there. It has a little bit of a curve, so it might come out. Oh, kind of gross. Feels gross. Looks like it's been chewed on. Oh, smells. There's our rope. Okay, so this is what they should have used to cover that line set when they ran it underneath the ground to help protect it. This is not gonna be easy. I don't have a lot of space here. Alright, so I put the rope all the way across. Sorry, my battery ran out. So I put the rope all the way across, and then I just started spinning the tape all the way up, and then I put a little extra on the tip right there. So now I'm gonna shove that pipe into there. I'm gonna shove it into there, and hopefully it goes smoothly all the way through. I'm gonna have to pull the rope at the same time, which is gonna be a little tricky, but we'll see how that works. I brought the rope here, so I'm gonna be pulling the slack. It goes all the way over there. Furnace closet is over there. So I'm gonna be trying to slide this in and then pull the slack at the same time. So now I have to go pull that rope. I can't believe it. I made it happen. Yay! Okay, so now I gotta braze that. Alright, so I'm gonna take off the blower to make this thing lighter to carry out of here. I'm gonna seal the bottom, some duct sealer. I could put metal, but it's just gonna make it noisier, and I don't think it's going to help with the smell. But if I cover it with duct sealer, in theory, that should get rid of the smell. I'm gonna put sheet metal on top of this before I put the unit in. Alright, here's our sheet metal. It's a little banged up, but I'm gonna make it look pretty. So this is an adjustable scribe from Melco. It's a great tool. You gotta get you one of these. Let's see if this fits. And to brace that copper and bring it out to here. So I messed up right here. I forgot that my unit is actually wider, so I didn't need to cut that notch there. But the good news is that the unit is gonna come all the way up to here and cover that up. So now I just have to disconnect the power and the control wiring, and then this power company gizmo. Choo choo! Did you hear that? Wonder how I got that unit in here? I just grabbed my dolly, I lifted the unit up, and yes, I was gonna record it, but I forgot. And I set it on top of this dolly right here, furniture dolly. And then I just rolled it across the floor that way. Yeah, that's gonna look nice, and the pad looks like it was made for this. Okay, that's how I'm gonna brace this. You know, it's a different day, different color bandana, okay? Pay attention to the details. Well, apparently I wasn't recording. That's it for now. I'm going to work on the air handler now. Copper is brazed. Now I'm gonna tighten these. I'm gonna put some nylon. I use my torque wrench. Alright, so far this is where we are on the vacuum. There is the line set. Comes out of the return cavity. And now I'm gonna connect a drain line. Gotta make sure not to cover this filter access, which is gonna be a little tricky because I gotta put a trap here. I had to put the trap over here. Had to leave it where it was, because there's no place to put it here without blocking that filter. The filter cover that's right there. Oh my goodness. As usual, it is dark. More than ready. I'm impressed with this thing. Look at that. You have so much more control with this, instead, because it also has a remote like the minis. This thing is beautiful. It is so quiet. There we go. All done. So this thing works great. Really quiet. So one last thing, that rat smell, that dead rodent smell, gone. After I did all that spraying and all that cleaning, and it didn't really do much. What really worked was to after I was done cleaning all that rat carcass out of there, is plugging up the hole. So there you go. It was in the return cavity, so it was really gross. Now it's all clogged and cooling great, and heating, by the way. So you're welcome, my friend.